How to recover OVO account password? First of all, launch OVO app on your device. Tap the continue button at bottom of the screen. Now you will land on the sign in page where you have to enter the credentials which you have created your account before. So I have created my account before with the help of email, so tap continue with email. Now enter the email address here and tap the next button. Then you will land on the entering password section where you have to simply tap on I have forgotten my password link. And once you do that, you need to choose another way to verify. Simply add email address and then you will come back to the section where you have to enter the 4-digit code sent on your email address. So simply you need to copy and paste this verification code on your page of this. So let's paste here. And once you do that, you will successfully land on the section and you can successfully recover your OVO account password or your account. So that is how we recover the OVO account password. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.